the xy plane, line L passes through point 0, 0 and is parallel to the line represented by the equation y equals 8x plus 2. If line L also passes through the point 3 comma D, what is the value of D? So let's start with the definition of parallel. So if it is parallel, that means what is going to be the same? The slope. So we're going to have this line L with a slope of 8. So we already have something set up here. So we have 8x and then plus b. What is our b value here? It passes through 0, 0. So our y-intercept is going to be 0. So y is equal to 8x plus 0. So 8x, and then we're looking at the point where x is equal to 3. So y will be equal to 8 times 3, which is 24. Perfect. So we can also check this one. So that will be you can just do 3 times 8, and you can do that, or you can check that your equation works by doing 8x. Does it pass through the origin? And you can do 8x plus 2 just to show that they are parallel indeed. So our purple one is the equation that we made. It does pass through the origin, and it is parallel to that other equation.